Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsio ka barek but pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukola ho number Khyndai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani Khyndai pran riu license, ar riu be Khyndai pra.
For her, and we really wish that she goes on and build on this, and hope that she becomes successful in everywhere she goes. Thank you, Steffi. Thank you so much. You've made us very proud.
Ka St. Edmund'S High Secondary School Shillong. Ka long the school ban yok ni ya ka kerdan ka Baar ha ka top 10 jong ka result High Secondary School Living Certificate Science but ha ka kerdan ka Khyndai. Haka commerce stream balapin bana da ka Mekhlia Board of School Education haka Khyndai Tri Uchembang Arja Pulai. Haka science stream ka Steffi Niza Snaitang ka poi haka kerdan ka Baar da ka bakhur South Pa nyau marks but your distinction haka subject English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology but alternative English. Kat bahaka commerce stream u Eliza Litep ulayo khur South Pa South Pupra marks but your distinction haka subject economics, accountancy, business studies, but haka subject entrepreneurship. Nalor kini ki weipat ki school ki blayo rong hakerdan top 10 haka science stream kilong ka RK Mission High Secondary School Cherrapunji lingba u Rahul Das ubla poy hakerdan ka Bandrio. But your core South Pa Sanpupra marks, but your distinction haka subject English, biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, but alternative English. Kat bahaka commerce stream unang kraw lalu na ka Mausen Ram Border Area High Secondary School Mausen Ram ulapoy ka kerdan ka bakra da ka khor South Pa South Khyndai marks but your distinction subject English, Khasi, economics, business studies but accountancy.
My name is Eliza Litam. I'm from Shangpung, Western Hills, and I'm studying here in St. Edmund, and I got the 9th position in Hsslc exam. What motivated me is number one is parent, obviously, and then teachers. They are the one who motivates me. I used to study not much that like 7 or 8 hours. I just study like 1 or 1.5 to something like that. There's nothing extraordinary in me. For this exam, first of all, I didn't go for tuition. I just doing self-studies at home, learning from YouTube. Nowadays, there are so many videos that will help you. The most challenging subject, I think, none. I think you just have to clear the basics of every subject. Just learn why. And then, that's all. Yes, parents, for sure, they really support me. And even the teacher, like, they just give me advice on how to write this exam. Even Sir Anthony even gave me a book for preparation. That's really helped me a lot. Yes, I'm planning to do BBA. Because now I want to be specialized in marketing and all. I want to do digital marketing. I'm not a big advisor to students and all. I myself have struggled a lot, and one thing I want to tell you that just learn the basic of the subjects and all. Whichever you find hard. Yeah.
Kakuting jang kadai Stephanie is Wadri Snaitang, pas na St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School. But kani ka sni ka long ka sni ka jing job shisha. Ti ka baning kong nga aingu iblay baro kadai ka jing la jong. Ti ngayo ka second rank ha ka state. But ki subjects ki bangayo distinction ki long ka English, Alti, ka physics, chemistry, biology, maths baro ki subjects. But ki subjects ki bangayo highest ki long ka physics but ka chemistry. Sngo ngadap da ka jing sngo kumen ka ba ngaru daladi ngamlawan patay nomor honestly nga ham expect haduk kat ni mo makan poi haduk kat ni ti ngala tri shitam hi hindi baro ka di ka jing la but ka jing pinset bor ka joble hakashis ni kum to prash pokenta hakashis ni ngam da yo than man kre kot nomor nga haban be ka school dang step dadap ka school nga haban le tuition tikat banda poying ka long to hinyush teng trabaji but ngadi ibriu ibam la ban thiamit ibam la ban step ti ipor bangala ban krekot arkenta ti ha itu nga try ban pendap kita ki assignments ki bangadan ki practical write up ki bangadan but ha ka juk pol mo ban krekot nang ni shakman ka aim janga ka di ka civil services ti hadin kani nga plan ban graduate chwa ha ka juk ka pol ngan pen krek eladi na benta kani ka exam kuwi ka message ka ba nga ju ai barabor yeki parlok janga yeki par janga kalong bu shoy blay hakmat la da fi bu shoy blay hakmat ki barok ki ya be identity but kabaar kalong trishtam bong hakatin paring be consistent long hard working be determined haki ka ba fili give your best heart and soul fi haban mo haki give your best ti katahi kanite kadi blay nong pudem janga jisu ti secondly ngan aingu na bente you blay na bente ki make ik pa ki bla judan ringkat bat nga hasinda ala ka por ki ba ju aiman sim nga bat shisha omdan balaban aiman sim nga kum ba ai ki make ik pa ti nga aingu na bente himen para janga ki bahi nga sem ki bajukin maw nga ha ki jing duai but ya ka school ngamla ba klet ka school nomor kala has played such an important role shisha hakani ka success jonga yeki nong hikai hakani ka school kila long tre shitam shisha nga kili jingkili hakanu kanu ka por kilong kloy ban jubab kilong kloy ban yarap yanga but shisha kila aiman sim shisha yanga atay bang haban extend shishu ka por ka jonga nomor kumbang ong ngamdi ibli bala ban kiamit ibla ban kristar ti tray ladangala ban ketil bhai ka porthia ngala ban
nghi cùng cái riêng thì cái bên công anh ai ngồi play để chụp bắp cái chương trình cái chương ấy thì cái Baar pat nghi bên pau cái chương sung ngô cái background cái bên tay principal trong cái cái school ringkat bet kini cái để trisitom cái bên tay chương ấy lấy ai cái attention cái biang bat ki inspire cái ai mình xem ấy na ada sedang ki push phải thì cái tu cái chương community chương ấy rosh snem by in one shakmat benar benar school ketua kalau aiman sim sipu ni kun janga hoi kalau ada ni ke pressure kata tem la len mo sim badan ha jikmi lenti te ha ke jikmi lenti re ketua kalau aiman sim nak bentar jang i de ke ham kodor de ka jing trace tom ke jang i ru tingim la ban klet dikini kai jang ne ka school but kun juru itu badan ko coaching class ki itu la trace tom kalau aiman sim nak batai kun tingin nak liang ke yeng idap ke jikmen ke bakrau.
Good afternoon. I am Brother Agnello Benjamin, Principal of St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School. Today, the board, Meghalaya board, declared its results for science and commerce students. And here in St. Edmund'S, we feel proud of our students who have done well. And I would like to mention the names of two students who secured ranks. Steffi Snaitang of Science secured the second rank, and Eliezer Laithep of Commerce secured the 9th rank. We also have a few students who have secured highest marks in different subjects, and we have many students who have got first class, second class, and who have cleared the exam. We are proud of these students who have done well. We are also proud of our teachers who have worked hard with them, not just before exams, but during the course of the 2 years that these students are here, doing their class 11 and class 12. And we hope and pray that we will continue to work hard and give of our best to our students.